Products are made in a factory. Brands are created in mind.
Now, I would like to ask Pranavesh sir, what are his views on this quote?
See, brands see, branding is something which people of the organization make. Products तो हर organization बनाता है, but उसको market करना is like the people market actually.
Now, let us ask Sonu sir, our journal mentor, his views on this presentation.
I would say very nice presentation. You guys have done it, and I think this is a very tough task when you are explaining something, when you are trying to explain something which everybody knows about. Putting that thing to the people in a right format is very important, and you have done it well. Right, so you are able to explain in very simple what marketing overview or marketing is all about, right? One thing. The only thing which I felt missing, or I will say, which I found key it would have been in a different way, that was the flow of the presentation. The marketing plan, in the end, what you have explained, that was the right flow, but your presentation was going in a different, with a different flow. First you are talking about the strategies, then you are talking about the segmentation, right? So first you need to figure out segmentation has to be done first, right? And even you have mentioned the tools, right? So these all things come later, right? So your flow was wherein you would have worked as per the marketing plan which you have explained, right, in the end. But otherwise you were very clear about the concept of branding and marketing, and you have been able to explain it well.
Thank you sir for sharing your thoughts.
Now, as we move towards the Q&A session, I would like to ask Pradeep sir what are his views on this presentation.
Well, presentation was certainly fantastic, and let me tell you, last time I asked a question in the to the previous participants that what will be your marketing strategy for startups or small scale industry, or always in crunch of budget and all those things, which got answered in this presentation. So it was indeed a good presentation, and I liked it. I mean, for me, it was like I'm doing an MBA course where marketing concepts are being explained. It was a good thing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I would like to ask Abhi ma'am her views on this presentation.
I think it was a wonderful presentation, and like always, it was excellent. I think I just relived my MBA days. That's all I have to say for now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to ask Priya, ma'am, does she have something to ask our participants?
Well, the presentation was pretty good, and in comparison to the questions, I feel you guys could have done a little better on the content part of it. It was a nice demo on understanding marketing, yes, but yeah, because I was really paying a lot of attention to this one as well. I learned a lot, no doubt, but I could have probably done a little more better if you could have. I mean, it's a previous level kind of a presentation. Should I say that, Pranavesh? It is, yeah. just the content bit is what I felt, but the confidence in all of you, and so this is where you gotta understand movies also. So unfortunately, while we all are on this presentation, there is an actor who committed suicide, right? So one needs to understand that at times the content can be really bad as well. Though this one was not, let me clarify, but your performance can pull that off really well. So you all are amazing performers, curators. But yeah, next time I want to see a little better content. Yeah. So yeah, performance wise, you guys are amazing. But yeah, on the content bit, a little, yeah. So that's about it.
Thank you, mentors, for sharing your views.
Now I would like to ask Pranavesh sir, what are his views on this presentation?
Before I comment to views and feedback, I would like to ask a question. Why is the need of target segmentation or market segmentation? Why there is a need?
Because the consumer pattern is different. The consumption.
I don't want your answer.
Oh.
Hang on. Sorry. Neha, can you answer this question?
Yes, sir. Because it's target the audiences, targeted audiences. Because every people has different their choice, interest. So this segment is help to understand these people and target directly into that people.
Thank you so much. Another question. What is economic pyramid of India? Have you heard about this terminology?
Sorry, sir, I don't.
What is economic pyramid of India?
Sorry, can you repeat that for me, please?
Economic pyramid of India.
Mumbai. No? You're asking me the place, are you?
No. I am asking economic pyramid of India.
Please explain. Please go in depth about this.
Yeah. I will explain. Hang on. I'm asking a question here to the group first. Let them, if they know about it.
Okay.
Sakshi, Aishwarya.
It is basically kind of dividing entire India's population into three categories. So we have one which is in the poor or the lower level category in terms of income. One is the middle class, which we typically fall under, which can be anywhere from lower middle class to upper middle class. And then obviously are the rich people that combine.
Now the economic pyramid of India is divided into 5 or 6 classifications. First comes the below poverty line. Then comes the lower middle income. Then comes the upper middle income. Then comes the rich. And then comes the HNI. Now, why am I talking on these things? When you do market segmentation and when you actually look at your target audience, any businesses who wants to flourish and who wants to build their brand first needs to identify what is their target segmentation. Who's their product gonna be sold to? I cannot sell a Maggi to HNI because HNI is the one who will consider for an investment purposes. Am I right? So looking at the target audience first, we need to identify target segmentation. So उसके पहले आपको सबसे पहले इकोनॉमिक पिरामिड ऑफ इंडिया को जानना जरूरी है. Sonu sir, if I'm wrong, please correct me.
You are absolutely right, Pranesh. Here they have spoken about market segmentation.
Yes.
End of the presentation, and right now I just heard the answer of Neha what she said. Right?
Yeah.
Actually, why market segmentation is important? Why it is important? This is what you have said, Parvesh, right?
Yes.
Very simple answer. See, I believe in keeping it simple, right? Market segmentation is important to plan your strategy well. Simple. If your market segmentation is not done properly, your strategy cannot be proper. To design a proper strategy, to define your strategies, which tools you are going to use. Anyways, you are using this word tools. Basically, it should be mediums. it should be mediums. These are not the tools. Every medium has different tools, right? But these are the mediums. So based on your market segmentation, right, you can define your strategy and you can use the right mediums and then the right tools, right? So this is, I think, Pravnesh was trying to put in. Here I will put one more point. In your 4 marketing mix, you have mentioned price, product, place, and what was the 4th one?
Promotion.
Promotion. Yes. There is one more thing which is today very important now. Earlier it was not. Now it is very important. That is people. Right? So it's always called 5 P's of marketing, right? Which is product, price, people, place, or promotions, right? Why people now? Today, whenever you are buying any brands, now you want to see, or services. Earlier, it was not that necessary for anyone to understand which brand and who is the CEO, who is the MD, or who are the founders or the management. Nobody was concerned about. But today, everybody is concerned about, right? So people is very important part of the market mix. Next, I told you about the tools. It should be mediums rather than tools, right?
Thank you, Sonu sir, for this. So, guys, amazing this time. I think you have done another strategy as a reporter and stuff. ऐसा कुछ किया है क्या आप लोगों ने कि न्यूज़ चैनल वाला वो किया था कि पैनल डिस्कशन जैसे कुछ किया? Correct. So it was good strategy. Although थोड़ा अगर कंटेंट पे अगर आप लोग ज़्यादा ध्यान दो तो शायद it would have been an amazing one. Compared to last 3 presentation, I would say bit you're now on a landing side, I guess so. So आप लोग land कर रहे हो ऐसा लग रहा है. So don't land, just be on the 36,000 height altitude altogether, and I want you to see and touch the clouds altogether till the end. एक बार end हो जाने के बाद land कर लो चल जाएगा. But don't land before that. Okay. So hope to see you again with some other revival strategy altogether. Hope to see you all smiling. Thank you.
Hereby we come to an end to the second presentation of the 4th genre, branding and marketing. I hope you all enjoyed it.
That was an amazing session. Thank you everyone for attending it and making it successful. See you guys in the next episode.